Hello everyone! Today's lesson is about during and while. These two words both talk about time, but they're followed by different sentence structures. Let's start with during. We use during before a noun. The structure is simple. During plus noun. For example, during the meeting, during lunch, during the holiday. Notice that after during, we only have a noun or a noun phrase. There is no subject and no verb. Now, let's look at while. We use while before a complete clause. That means we need a subject and a verb. The structure is while plus subject plus verb. Here are some examples. While I was sleeping, while she cooked, while they studied. Each sentence has both a subject and an action. Now, let's compare the two. We say, during the movie, but we say, while we watched the movie. Why? Because the movie is a noun. But we watched the movie is a complete clause with a subject and a verb. Here's an easy trick. If the next word is a noun, use during. If the next part is an action with a subject, use while. Let's practice. During the class. Correct. Class is a noun. While the teacher explained the lesson. Perfect. We have a subject and a verb. Remember this simple rule. During equals noun. While equals action. Practice these patterns often, and you'll use them correctly every time.